Hello, this is Kinnie. Time flies, and this is our last video of the session. To be honest, I never thought I'd be able to give a speech generally before, because I'm a very shy person. But thanks to this session, and thanks to Professor D. Simpson, I was able to take the first step into presenting. In this case, I learned about the role of outline in a speech, the importance of gesturation and body language, and the organization of a speech. First of all, an outline is a list of key points, which helps us to have a structure before the presentation so that we can achieve a clear delivery. I learned in this part of the outline how to write our body paragraphs or how to including 2 to 3 subpoints for each of our arguments. Before I give my speech, I probably take a pre-written script and read it, but the outline helps me to develop my own ideas, but it's all based on the points and framework I've already defined. And body paragraph is mainly to include the content of our speech theme. Outline can let us choose a order like chronological or spatial order according to their own scheme. In each of the major points, we can describe the content in order. Secondly, our introduction and conclusion can also be more attractive in the development of the outline. If I give a very impromptu speech or a long speech like before, I can easily lose my main points. So this often leads to my introduction and conclusion not knowing what to say. But with outline, my introduction can really work rather than being a required structure. Secondly, body language and gesture can play a big role in the presentation, such as making the audience feel our enthusiasm and confidence. In my lecture video in the class, I learned that body language can sometimes help the audience feel focused. For example, when we feet to slightly spread and shoulder level, it means we are confidently communicating with audience. But when we want to get to the point, we can raise our hands slightly to attract the audience attention. Body language has a 60% role in our speech. In my previous presentation, I may have been more inclined to speak rather than to act. But I neglected to mention that there is also acting in the speech. Comparing videos I recorded later with the videos of my previous presentation really helped me to get the point across. Finally, our sequence is also very important in the process of speech in order to make the speech more logically. We can use chronological or spatial order according to the main body ethic, so that the reader can follow the rhythm of our speech well. Because the content of the speech is usually very long, the order can make our organization more clear and concise. What I gained from the course is the skill of giving a speech and courage to do it. This class has pushed me to express what I want to say.